Ever walked into your favorite store only to find the shelves completely empty? That's often the result of one crucial mistake: underestimated demand. Every business, from the corner coffee shop to the global tech giant, runs on prediction. But how do they get it right? And what happens when they get it wrong? Today, we're diving deep into the core of demand planning. By the end of this video, you'll know the critical difference between independent and dependent demand. You'll understand the key forecasting methods businesses use. And most excitingly, you'll see how artificial intelligence is making this entire process simpler and faster than ever before. Stick around, because this is the kind of knowledge that gives businesses a serious competitive edge. First, let's cover the basics. It all starts with two types of demand. Independent demand is when a customer's order directly drives the need for an item. Think about someone buying a car, a new phone, or a piece of clothing. That demand stands alone. It isn't directly tied to the production of something else. On the other hand, dependent demand arises because of another item's demand. For example, the demand for a car's dashboard only exists because people are ordering that specific car model. The need for the dashboard is dependent on the demand for the finished car. So how do businesses predict that unpredictable independent demand? Historically, we've used two main types of methods. First, there are qualitative methods like the Delphi method, which gather opinions from a panel of experts to reach a consensus. It's about human intuition and experience. Then, there are quantitative methods, which use historical sales data and mathematical models like moving averages or regression analysis to project future trends. Both are powerful, but they can be time-consuming and complex. But what if we could skip all the manual equations and spreadsheets? Let's try a live demonstration. Imagine we need to forecast sales for a product like a raincoat. Traditionally, this would involve digging into complex spreadsheets, setting up formulas, and hoping you didn't make a tiny error somewhere. But now we can use an AI tool. I'm going to craft a simple, plain English prompt. Calculate a sales forecast for week 17 using exponential smoothing. Based on the data I provide, please choose an appropriate smoothing constant and explain your choice. The AI immediately asks for the data. I'm just going to copy my sales figures from the past 16 weeks and paste them right into the chat interface. And watch this. Within seconds, the AI provides a full, detailed answer. It runs the entire exponential smoothing calculation step by step, showing its work. No need for me to enter a single formula into Excel or Google Sheets. I can just scroll right to the bottom and see the final forecast. It's that simple. As you just saw, a task that used to take valuable time, concentration, and expertise in a spreadsheet is now done in a single, simple interaction. By understanding the fundamental distinction between demand types and utilizing the right forecasting method, businesses can significantly reduce uncertainty and avoid those empty shelves we talked about. And thanks to the power of AI, the critical process of decision-making and demand planning has become faster, more accessible, and simpler than ever before. Now I have a question for you. What complex business calculation or tedious task would you use AI to simplify first? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on how technology is changing the way we work. Thanks for watching.